Hello BYD owners and prospective owners. Welcome to this video which is really designed for new owners. So that's new Dolphin, Atto and Seal owners. I'm just doing two issues today. One is those annoying bips that nobody likes, and also the dash cam. So the dash cam is probably not something that the Atto 3 owners would need to worry about because they've already got one. So the second part of this video is about how to install the dash cam and how to use the dash cam and where to get it from. So that's the speed. Yeah, so that bipping is annoying. That bipping is definitely annoying. So what do you do about it? Well, it's pretty simple. So there's three suggestions. One is that you take the fuses out on the lane control. Take the fuses out that control those systems. The issue with that is that your car is no longer rated at 5 for safety. The other issue is that if there was ever an accident and someone got hurt, and the police found out that you'd taken those fuses out, I think there'd be a good case for manslaughter, particularly if could be argued that had those fuses been in, that the accident may not have happened or reduced chance of it happening. But I'm not a lawyer. I'd just rather have the fuses in. The other one is you just turn it off. Just turn the whole system off, and the disadvantage in that is every time you restart the car, you've got to turn it off again. There is a third alternative, and you just turn the sound off. So what you do, all you do is you go to car, you go to ADAS, you go to traffic sign recognition, and you turn off intelligent speed limit information. So we turn that off. So you still recognise the, if you turn the whole thing off, what happens, I don't know if you can see there, but you don't see what the speed limit is. So you need that on to see what the speed limit is. That goes there back on. But you just turn the information off so it doesn't go bip bip. The other thing you do is you go to lane system. And all you do, you keep the warning on because you want the warning, but all you want is vibration. So all you do then is just get a little bit of a kick through the passengers don't hear it, you don't hear it. So what you do is you go to lane support and you turn the sound off. You've got to have it one or the other on, or both. Keep the emergency lane keeping system on, because if you do wander, fall asleep or whatever, it will correct it. So let's see what happens now. Firstly, let's break the speed barrier. Okay, so we've passed the speed. It flashes, but it doesn't do anything. Now let's see what happens if I mess around with this lane. Wow, it's fun, isn't it? I hope no police are watching. So no bips. No bips. And you're safe. It's still working. You probably didn't see that You probably didn't see the little poop. But there you go. Shit. Whoops. I'll turn that off. So there's just a little bit of a... So hopefully that video was useful for you to configure your vehicle so that you don't hear those beeps. Now we're going to look at the dash cam. And again, I'll thank Greg for allowing me to put the dash cam into his vehicle. I really appreciate that because I'm still waiting for my seal. Hint to BYD, I'm still waiting for it. I ordered it on the night that it was released and I'm still waiting. Anyway, so about 3 weeks ago I ordered this from AliExpress. So this is the camera for the Atto, the Seal and the Dolphin. As we've been talking, the Atto already has this in. The Seal and the Dolphin doesn't. Certainly packed well. So this is the actual camera that you get. This is the lens on this side with the lens cover, and this is where we plug it into. So basically, it sits like this, facing this way, and as you'll see, we'll fit it. Okay, so this is the camera, which we saw before when we did the unpacking. This is the actual cover, and this cover here. So this wraps around the rear view mirror, and this little thing here clips on to hold it in place. Now, Greg's been kind enough to demonstrate how to put it back on.
Oh yeah, good luck. Yeah, so put that on first.
Yeah.
And then clip that on.
Okay. So what we'll do now is let's go and plug the camera in.
Yep.
Okay, so this is going to go this way. Go this way. So that way. I'd say it's the right way up.
Yeah.
It's just whether it's all the way in. Okay, so let's do a reboot. Where are we?
It's a countdown.
Driving recorder.
That's it.
That's it.
Perfect.
But it's in the right spot. Okay, now, if you, we'll just do something here. Okay, now that's the wrong one. Where's the one that turns the screen? Here we are. Okay. I'll show you a little trick that ain't in the menu. Okay, so we hold that in, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we want to have video lock. Now, whenever you press that button, it doesn't go to do that anymore. You can still do that by pressing this one, but what it does is it starts recording.
So if you want to record it, that's what you do?
No, it's recording all the time.
Yeah.
But if you want to do, so sometimes you might, so this is just, so that's just taking screenshots. This is taking photos now. Yeah. But if for some reason you want to take a photo, or you want to have or you want to do see a particular video, that you just press that, and that's what you do.
Okay.
And when you get out of that, so that's it. Now, here is your driving recorder. So you'll see you got your speed, you got your whether you're wearing your seat belts, whether you're in park or drive or whatever, whether you got your foot on the brake, whether you got the headlights on, whether you got cruise control on. So you've got all that stuff as well. So it records it. Yeah.
Cool.
So because there's a GPS up in there as well.
All
right. So now, have you put your SIM card? Utility tools. Here we go. Go to utility tools. You'll see a thing here called File Manager. Now, if you go to USB, SD card, and if you go to recorder, and if you go to the picture, there you go.
Right.
So they're the photos that we took.
Yeah.
Right. If you go back to local SD, recorder, and you go to normal. So that's your thing. So that's how you do it. Now, if what you want to do, if you want to, let's go back to normal. So if you want to get a copy of it, because it's on your SD, so you just take it off, right?
Pull it out, yeah.
Yeah, just pull it out.
Yep.
But I think also, from memory, you've also got it in your local as well. But your pictures are in the local. My diary of me. Yeah. Okay, so now what we have to do is to put the little thing back on again.
The cover. No.
Is it?
That one. Putting this up first. That bit's easy.
So if we go back to here and we go back to recorder, we go back to normal, you'll see it goes for about 2 minutes, each one of these. So it's got a time and date stamp on there. So I mean, without seeing anything else other than that. But let me just take that camera out because I just saw that interfere with your wiper.